analisa
Okay,
gold.
ya. Ya, okay.
Baik.
Boleh tengok skrin saya ke? Oh, dah
Ya,
ada kan
boleh.
skrin saya? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I think last week we were talking somewhere dekat sini. Kejap saya ambil dekat H4 supaya kita boleh nampak clear. I think we are at the 17 January somewhere dekat 1820 punya zone. Okay, yeah, this is where kita ada. Okay, of course we are talking about 1823 ataupun 1820 might be the resistance. It actually played it orang kata nicely, but then of course they dropped almost to about 1800. But of course, this part is, I think most of us also didn't anticipate it. But I think I also made a statement regarding the geopolitical as well as the Ukraine-Russia punya issue. Okay, and then okay, generally the market sentiment lah, the other part. Okay, I think all this actually played into not only gold. Generally, if you guys look at the even siapa tu global equity index like S&P, Dow Jones, and also even Nasdaq, etc. They also got hit quite badly last week because the sentiment ataupun what's happening geopolitical, okay, it's not so in favor of the gold. Of course, on equity is badly hit lah. Okay, so kat sini goal of course dari 1800 dia pergi, I think ramai yang cuba sell dekat 1820, 1825. Of course they break and then dia pergi ke 1830 and also 1845. I think somewhere about 2 or 3 weeks ago I also mentioned it, kalau benda ni kalau break, the next zone will be 1840, 1845 or sadly to about 1850. Tapi 1846, I think if I'm not mistaken, 1846 ke? Yeah, about 1846 is where dia cuba pergi ke resistance lah. Okay, but of course, although I said it that way, my bias still into the bearish. So I think right now, although there is a geopolitical tension and also oil price also it actually went up from 84 all the way to close to about 88 ataupun depending on which orang kata oil you're looking at, whether Brent crude ataupun US oil etc, but close to about $90. Okay, so that push this commodity also into this territory. Tapi kalau tanya saya sekarang, of course I might be a bit biased. Some people might still see gold as bullish, but I'm still adamant that this move, either it comes, I think about 2 or 3 weeks ago I mentioned it, either it comes down here or it comes down this way. So I think it takes the second part right now. So that's why I'm still adamant. Gold 1845, 1840. Okay, I think this might hold for a while. Okay, unless kalau they break, then analisa terbatal lah. Tapi I still believe or I trust that this might hold for some time, especially with FOMC coming down this week. Okay, tapi kecuali kalau tiba-tiba Russia, because who's that US Secretary State Blinken and also siapa tu Russia Foreign Minister, they had a discussion, I think 1 or 2 days on Thursday and Friday, but it didn't come into orang kata conclusive diplomatic result. Okay, so there's still a bit of a tension, tapi saya rasa hopefully lah, okay, the way I think what it pans out, I think it will orang kata cool down a bit, so that will put pressure to the orang kata gold best to come in. Second, I think oil price also right now is retracing back. Okay, so that's also good news. I think stock market also is a bit a rebound on a Friday close last night. So I think with that, I will expect market to move this mode, something like this, maybe somewhere ke sini, FMC, I'm expecting to break this 1810, 1800 ke sini, and then probably later the core PC will push the price somewhere here ataupun somewhere here. So this is my direction for this week for gold. But again, you guys still need to watch out the geopolitics, especially Ukraine, Russia punya issue. Okay, so that might come into play. It might break out. Okay, if kalau nampak oil is breaking more and more above, I think then there's a possibility Dia akan break this and then go to 1850 to 1860 punya level. Okay, so this part you guys just watch out for. Tapi I don't expect it sebab unless Putin dia still quote unquote he has his own way of dealing with US. Okay, then this might be possible. Otherwise, with the latest development, we are still looking at it this move. Okay, Bun.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So